Hi everybody, Adam from LS2 Helmets. Today I want to show you how easy it is to remove and reinstall the outer shield on your LS2 Thunder helmet. This shield is phenomenal, super wide eye port. You got your racing style latch here, and it is tear off and pin lock insert ready. So first thing you want to do to remove the shield, open that shield all the way to the top. From there, you go to your base plate here, and the silver bar right here, or the silver tab on this black bar, you're gonna pull down on that and release that bar, push it down towards the bottom of the helmet. Go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Pull that down on the silver tab, release that bar to the down position. And now all you have to do to remove the shield, pull down and out, like so. And you can see there's slots on that shield that line up with the post underneath the disc on the base plate here. So super, super easy. And this gives us a good view of that base plate area. This is that bar we're talking about. So you can see if I push it back up into position, pull down that silver tab, and that locks into place. This is an all metal construction, very robust and very secure. So to release that, just pull down on that tab, like so, and now it's been released. To reinstall the shield, you're just gonna line up that slot with that post underneath that wheel, kind of like so. And you line up that post here with that slot. Go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, like so. And you can see it clicked into place. Now, all you have to do now is raise that shield all the way to the up position, push that bar up, pull that tab, and lock that back into place. And go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Just like that. And now that shield has been fully reinstalled and you're ready to ride.